Hello. Today, I want to tell you about my favorite place to relax. Everyone has a place they like, a place where they feel calm and happy. For me, that place is a small park near my house. It is not a big park. It is simple, but very peaceful. I often go there in the afternoon or in the evening when I feel tired, when I feel stressed, or when I just want some quiet time. I go to this park. The park is about 10 minutes from my house. I usually walk there. On the way, I see small houses and quiet streets. When I arrive at the park, I always feel different. The air is fresh. The space is open. There are many trees. The trees are green and tall. They give shade and make the air cool. There are also flowers. Some are small, some are big. They have many colors. Sometimes I stop and look at them. I feel relaxed when I see nature. In the park, there is a small path. People walk or run on this path. Sometimes I walk slowly. Sometimes I just sit on a bench. There are many benches in the park. I like to sit near a big tree. That is my favorite spot. From there, I can see many things. I can see people walking. I can see children playing. I can see birds flying. Sometimes I bring a book. I sit on the bench and read. Reading in the park feels different. It is quiet, but not too quiet. There are natural sounds. The sound of leaves moving in the wind. The sound of birds singing. These sounds make me feel calm. Sometimes I do not read. I just sit and think. I think about my day. I think about my plans. Or sometimes I think about nothing. I just enjoy the moment. In the evening, the park becomes more lively. More people come. Some people exercise. Some people walk with their families. Children run and laugh. I like to watch them. It makes me feel happy. Sometimes I listen to music. I wear my headphones and play soft music. Music and nature together feel very nice. Sometimes I practice English in the park. I listen to English audio. I repeat these sentences quietly. I feel more relaxed when I learn outside. It is easier to focus. One thing I really like about this park is the sunset. In the evening, the sky becomes orange and pink. The light is soft and beautiful. I often sit and watch the sunset. It is one of my favorite moments. When the sun goes down, I feel calm inside. I feel thankful for the day. Sometimes I take photos of the sky. I keep these photos as memories. Even though the park is simple, it means a lot to me. It is my quiet place. When I have a problem, I come here to think. When I feel happy, I also come here to enjoy the moment. This place understands me in a quiet way. I do not need to talk. I just need to be there. In life, we are often busy. We have many things to do. We think a lot. We worry a lot. But sometimes we need to stop. We need to slow down. We need a place to relax. For me, this park is that place. It helps me feel better. It helps me become calm again. After spending time in the park, I feel refreshed. I have more energy. I can go back to my work with a better mood. Before I go home, I usually take a deep breath. I look around one more time. Then I walk back slowly. On the way home, I still feel relaxed. At night, when I think about my day, I often remember the park. It is a small part of my life, but a very important part. Now, I want to say something to you. If you feel tired, find a place like this. It can be a park. It can be a cafe. It can be your room. Anywhere that makes you feel calm. Spend time there. You do not need to do anything special. Just sit. Just breathe. Just relax. That is enough. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you find your favorite place too. See you next time.